Hi guys, how are you all doing? If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. So, guys, I'm going to talk about how to get subscribers fast on this YouTube. Yes, there are some ways that you can get subscribers on this YouTube. Yes, yeah, I know that you can't wait to hear this good news. Yes, guys, there are some ways that you can get subscribers so fast on your YouTube channel. Are you a YouTuber that you want to get subscribers fast on your YouTube channel? Okay, just stick to this video to the end. Yes, so let's dive into it now. So the number one thing you need to do on how to get your subscribers on your channel is for you to post high quality content. Yes, from posting high quality content, from there you can get subscribers because they will love your content. They will love your content. Yes, so the second thing that you need to do on your channel to get subscribers is for you to add cards and end screen. Yes, I don't know about this. I don't know about cards and end screen. Yes, so I'm still going to make a video on the cards and end screen, how to put end screen on your videos, how to put cards on your videos, because there are some people that they don't know what is called end screen. Yes, don't worry, I'm going to make a video on that. Okay, so and there are some people that they don't know about cards now. Don't worry, all those ones I will make it in a one video for you guys. Yes, I'm here for you guys to give you quality content relating to on how for you to grow your YouTube channel. So end screen are videos that you will add them on another video. If you understand now, if you notice now, you watch this by my right, you will see a video that is up. You will see the topic of a video that is up here. So that's an end screen. Yes, so guys, don't worry, I'm going to make a video on how to put your end screen on your videos. From there too, you'll be getting subscribers. Yes, if you put end screen on your videos, you'll be getting views, you'll be getting subscribers. So what are you waiting for? I'm still going to make a video on how to put end screen and subscribers. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple, because me too, I don't know about this. So I just noticed it recently, how to put end screen on your videos. Yes, end screen help people to get more views on your recent videos. Yes, it's like tagging a video on a video. Yes, so that's what it called end screen. Cards, they are the ones that you will see it, um a line, a video line with a title. Yes, those ones are cards. So end screen are a video in a square, like, you understand, you will see the video by the side like this. Yes, you will see the video with the thumbnail, but cards doesn't have, you will not see the video with the thumbnail, but end screen you will see the video with the thumbnail. So I'm still going to make a video on how to do all those two things. It really helps, guys. If you do all those two things, you'll be getting views, you'll be getting subscribers. Yes, guys, thank you so much. I don't want this video to be too long. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.